Good morning, everyone. Now I am going to say about intelligent apps, which is a new trend in the application development. Intelligent apps. What is intelligent apps? You know that as there is a growth in the incorporation of technologies in the mobile world, every individual in the world is expecting better opportunities in the form of experience as a service. A ripple effect on training questions on normal mobile apps ever their capabilities for personalized experience have started embarrassing AI capabilities to ultimately emerge the intelligent apps. Next, coming to contents. Now I'm going to discuss about what are intelligent apps, what intelligent apps can do, intelligent apps framework, key capabilities and functionalities, specialties, construction of intelligent apps, and examples, finally going to conclusion. Coming to what are intelligent apps. Intelligent apps are applications that use historical and real-time data for user interactions and other sources to make predictions and adapt to user interfaces. These apps combine the power of predictive and prospective analytics, cutting-edge technologies, consumer data, and operational data with latest user-centric design and application, using some development tools to make high-end user experience. Apps that not only know how to support or enable key user decisions but also continually learn from user interactions to become even more relevant in nature and helpful to users. These apps are very helpful in real-time analytics of every human being. Next, what intelligent apps can do. Intelligent apps can study human behavior and choices and thereby make contextual predictions. They can also act as personal assistant. They would even predict what you would need next without your actions and keep those things for you. These apps can study our behavior and choices. So they can differentiate the relevant information and irrelevant information with the help of some algorithms. Those algorithms can be of machine learning algorithms or else AI algorithms. We can see these intelligent apps in our day-to-day life. Next, coming to intelligent apps framework, there are four-stage framework. They are Sync Me, See Me, Know Me, and Be Me. When coming to Sync Me is nothing but apps and contents and information are made available across the devices and shared contextually. Here, the best example of Sync Me is our Google Drives. They automatically sync our data from the mobiles. Next coming to See Me. See Me means data is continuously collaborated about user and their devices to gain understanding of context. The best example of See Me is some decision boxes which are available in our mobile phones like OK, cancel, or some analytics performed on the users. Next, Know Me. Know Me means data is used to the data which we given by the user is used to understand the computer's user needs and wants and practically offer services based on pattern recognition and some other machine learning approaches. Next, Be Me. Be Me involves in developing intelligent apps and services that acts on users' behavior. This is a major frameworks of intelligent apps. Next, coming to key capabilities and functionalities of intelligent apps. Initially, there are four basic key capabilities and functionalities. Those are intelligent applications, analytics as service, data as service, and data lake. Data lake is a basic functionality of every intelligent apps where it goes from bottom-up approach to all these four applications. Next, the intelligent applications are developed with the modern PaaS and with the help of DevOps. Later on, these analytics as a service is based on majorly broader perspective across varied business functions and activities are maintained for smarter decisions across the enterprises. Next, coming to data as a service, where data is a basic means of every individual. So in this service, it gives data faster and simpler discovery and exploration. It increases user self-experience and accelerates data provisioning. Coming to data lake, the basic key on a functionality of intelligent apps. It sets a complete data management services, and it also improves the access to data across the organization. Next coming to specialties of intelligent apps. The intelligent apps are basic specialties of intelligent apps are track our inputs, make AI-based decisions, provide relevant information, quick response, robotic inputs, auto communication, and finally capability to handle big data files. What means track our inputs? Intelligent apps take note on each and every activity we perform based on regular inputs. These apps understand our behavior, choices, and linkings and provide us with the recommendations as per our requirements. Next, coming to making AI-based decisions. Intelligent apps uses machine learning algorithms and artificial algorithms to make a decisions that whether what information is important and relevant for us. These apps are comprised of various algorithms that make it able to perform such differentiation tasks. Next, coming to provide relevant information. Since these apps are able to track our activities and actions, thus they provide us with the relevant information on anything before we even search for it. This not only saves our time but also provides us with the solution to a number of problems we might be facing. The best example of this provide relevant information is our Google services or Chrome services. Next, coming to quick response. The intelligent apps have the abilities to respond to us with a split of a second and are also able to act on our behalf as well. Next, coming to robotic inputs. The artificial intelligence used in such applications are so advanced that with the help of countless algorithms, it automates a number of tasks we want to perform. The intelligent apps are capable of making different commands for different applications and services. Later on, going to auto communication, it is a basic specialty of the intelligent apps. Well, it might sound crazy, but the intelligence can and do communicate on our behalf. These apps use tons of algorithms to predict whom we want to communicate with, and based on your earlier responses and reactions, these apps are capable to identify what you might reply or communicate to a particular message that has been received. These responses are too real that the intelligent apps are communicating with will not even realize that she or he is talking to an app and not you. Next, the final specialty of intelligent apps, capability to handle big data files. Considering the complexity of a structured and unstructured data in today's technological world, these intelligence apps are designed in a way that they are component enough to handle the big data analytics and advanced analytics. Next, construction of intelligent apps. There are two basic components from the construction of intelligent apps. They are machine learning and data analytics. Other than that, the intelligent apps are made of number of microservices that make it capable to use and reuse learning services using the machine learning algorithms. Next, the following are some of the intelligent apps that revolutionize our daily lives. Today, we are knowingly or unknowingly surrounded by a lot of intelligent apps. Some of the most popular examples of intelligent apps that we are using on our daily basis nowadays include Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, Netflix, Ada Health, Elsa, and Seeing AI. When coming to Alexa and Siri, we are basically well known to this type of intelligent apps. We all know that Amazon, Apple, and Google's digital voice assistants are great examples of intelligent apps that combine natural language generation, processing, and machine learning. These digital voice assistants have made our lives super easy and convenient as they give updates about weather, traffic, and coordinate meetings and etc. Many. These virtual assistants converse soundings like human thanks to natural language processing and natural language generation. Next, Netflix. We all know Netflix is similar to YouTube channels. Netflix is one of the disruptive brands in the media industry. Is the best example for leveraging intelligent systems and for developing a business model around them. Its personalized movie recommendation feature is powered by big data. It mainly uses explicit and implicit data. Its powerful algorithms examine and identify patterns from data, helping users to efficiently pick what to watch next. Smart use of artificial intelligence helps Netflix to can build a store of knowledge that will facilitate precise users' prediction. Next, coming to Ada Health. Ada Health is an artificial intelligence powered doctor in your pocket app that helps users to understand their health and navigate to the most suitable care. The app launched a fresh method to personalized health, reinforced by sophisticated AI, human medical know how, and the power of mobile technology. The app has a conversational interface. It asks simple questions and comprises the answers to its rich data of similar cases to deliver custom made responses to the unique health profiles. It ultimately helps you to find the best possible explanations for your symptoms. It guides user to take the most appropriate care and track and manage their health. Next, coming to Elsa. Elsa is nothing but an English language speech assistant. It is an AI powered app that helps you to improve your English speaking skills with the right pronunciation and accent. The app gives professional training with a series of exercises and teaching materials. It understands your native language and teaches you how to speak like native English speaker based on a series of exercises and teaching materials. In Elsa, by simply inputting a word, you can learn its right pronunciation. Next, coming to Seeing AI. Seeing AI is an artificial intelligence application developed by Microsoft. It's a talking camera for the visually impaired. This Seeing AI app is very helpful to the blind and low vision community around the world to know about their surroundings through the cameras or their smartphones. Its computer vision narrates a visual world by reading out short text and documents by describing about a real people real time. It helps the blind users to identify currencies, color, handwriting, gender, age, etc. It powerfully converts visual data into a audio feedback. Recently, Microsoft also added a new feature to this Seeing AI. Now, users of Microsoft can simply tap their fingers on their image on a touchscreen to hear an instant audible description of the same. Next, finally concluding my topic, intelligent apps are touching all areas of our lives, media, technology, healthcare, etc. by implementing tasks with high accuracy. Thank you.